everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rajashri and today I am going to share my body care and makeup recommendations from the Nykaa Pink Friday sale. Without wasting any time, let's get into the video. In my previous video, I have shared my skincare and hair care recommendations, and in this video, I am going to share my body care and makeup recommendations. Let's start the video with body care recommendations. I'm a person who likes to use body wash on a daily basis, and I have two body wash recommendations for you. One is from Dove. This is their Go Fresh Nourishing Body Wash. I really like all variants from the Dove body wash range because they are very nourishing on the skin. They are not stripping on the skin, and they are very affordable as well, and I feel this is a very good pick to go with. And the second recommendation is from the Bath and Body Works. These are Paris and Velvet Sugar. Both of these are my favorite variants from the Bath and Body Works range. They lather very well. They are very good smelling. I really love Bath and Body Works body washes, especially for the fragrance. They last for a very long time. The fragrance lasts on your body for a very long time, even after you're done with your shower. Other than these two body washes, I really like the Body Shop body washes as well, and I also like the Love Beauty and Planet body washes. They are very good in quality, so you can definitely check them out in the sale. We are done with body washes. Now let's jump into body exfoliators. When it comes to body exfoliators, I really like coffee based scrubs for my body because they are very good at exfoliating your body, and at the same time they give a very good glow to your skin. If you have tan or any kind of pigmentation issues, I feel a body scrub is a very good option to go with. I really like the Beauty Co coffee scrubs. They smell very nice. The quality of the scrub is very nice, and they are not that abrasive on your skin. But you're not supposed to use that scrub on your face because that's a very harsh scrub for your face. But it's okay to use on your body, mainly on your knees and on your feet. We are done with body exfoliators. Now let's jump into body lotions. If you are looking for a fragrance-free body lotion for this winters, I feel the Aveeno moisturizing lotion is a very good pick. I guess this retails for 950 rupees, and I feel you're going to get some sort of offer on it in this Pink Friday sale. So this is a very good body lotion to go with if you're looking for a fragrance-free option. If you don't have any problem with fragrance in your body lotions, I feel the good old Vaseline lotions will do the job. I really like the Vaseline original version, the yellow bottle, that moisturizes your skin very well. No fuss, nothing. It's a good moisturizing lotion, so that's a very good pick, and it's very affordable as well. So yeah guys, we are done with body care recommendations. Now let's jump into makeup. Now let's start off the makeup recommendations with a very good primer. Lately I am loving this primer from Lakme. This is their Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer in mini. You're going to get this for 299 rupees if you want to try the mini first, or else you're going to get a 25% off on it. It's a very good deal if you want to invest in a primer because primer is going to last for a very long time for you. Anyways, you're going to use a very small quantity of it. So I feel this is a very good primer if you have open pore issues or if you have any kind of oiliness in your T-zone. I feel this works very beautifully for you. We are done with primer recommendation. Now let's jump into foundation. If you want me to suggest one foundation out of all foundations that are available in Nykaa at a very good price point, I feel the Nykaa Skin Shield Anti-Pollution Matte Foundation is the one to go. It got a very natural finish to it. It's not overly drying on the skin. It sits very well on the skin. It is not cakey whatsoever. It gives a very natural finish. It got medium to full coverage, which is beautiful for all occasions. You can definitely use it as your daily foundation as well, and they got a very good shade range. I feel this is a must-buy foundation if you are looking for one. This is a very beautiful foundation. We are done with foundation recommendation. Now let's jump into compact powder. If you want a compact powder which is easy to use and it's very affordable at the same time, I feel the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless powder is a very good option to go with. I have been using this powder maybe I guess from the past 1 to 2 years, and I'm in love with it. It gives a very natural finish. It's not overly powdery or chalky on the skin, and even the shade range is very good. They got around like 9-10 shades. You can definitely choose what suits you. So I feel this is a very good option if you are looking for an affordable compact powder. We are done with compact powder. Now let's jump into loose powder. If you are looking for a good finishing powder, or if you are looking for a good loose powder, I feel the Maybelline Fit Me powder is a very good pick to go with. I know it's a cult favorite for most of the people and even for me, so I feel you should definitely try it if you haven't already. I feel blush is a very essential part no matter what makeup look you are going for, because blush gives you that life back. So it is one of my most favorite products when it comes to makeup, and the one blush I go back every single time is from Nykaa. This is their Get Cheeky Blush Duo in the shade Cali Cheek. I feel no matter what skin type you have, this shade will definitely suit you, because this got a very good pink tones to it. So I feel this is suitable for all skin types, and this lasts you for a very long time. This is a very long wearing blush and I really like it. I used to wear it every single day to my college when I used to go to college back in the day. So yeah, this is a very good blush. I feel you're going to get a very good discount on it because this is a Nykaa product. So yeah, this is my blush recommendation if you want to get one. Let's talk about highlighters. I'm not a person who likes very blingy highlighters. I go for a very subtle look when it comes to highlighter, and I really like this one from Maybelline. This is their Face Studio Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in the shade Molten Rose. If you have my skin tone, I feel the Molten Rose Gold is a very good shade for you. If you have duskier skin tone, I feel the Molten Gold shade suits you. But if you have lighter skin tone or skin tone which is similar to mine, I feel the Molten Rose Gold is a very good option for you. I like this highlighter from Maybelline, and I also like the Nykaa highlighters. You get the same two pans, so you can mix and match according to your preference. I really like the 24K Glam one. It is a very universally flattering shade. So yeah, these are my highlighter recommendations, and they sit very well on your skin. They are not chalky or they are not glittery. So I feel these are a very good investment for highlighters. We are done with highlighters. Now let's jump into eyeshadow. If you wanted to try the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palettes for a very long time and you have never ever dared to get one because they are very expensive to a point, they are like we are going to get bankrupt, I feel this is the time you need to get them, because I bought my eyeshadow palette last year on the Pink Friday sale and I got it for very good price point. I feel you're going to get a 40% off on the eyeshadow palettes, mainly on the Desert Dusk eyeshadow palette and also the Rose Gold Remastered palette. I have the Rose Gold Remastered palette with me. It's a beautiful palette. Trust me guys, it's a beautiful palette. If you want to get one palette for your life, I feel the Rose Gold palette is the one you need to go with. Now let's talk about eyeliners. I really like gel eyeliners in general, and the Maybelline gel eyeliner is a very good pick if you are a beginner and you don't know how to use a gel liner. I feel you get a very good brush with it, so it's very easy to use. You're not going to buy a separate brush for it. So the Maybelline gel eyeliner is a very good option to go with. If you want me to suggest a mascara, I feel the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara is a very good option to go with. So these are my eyeliner and mascara recommendations. Now let's jump into lipsticks. I have a very huge list of lipsticks, so I'm not going to include all of them in this video. Anyways, I'm going to link down everything in the description box. But if you want to get one lipstick, or if you want to get one set from the Nykaa Pink Friday sale, I would ask you to get the Smashbox Always On Mini Matte Duo X Malvika Sitlani, because you're going to get two beautiful shades here. You're going to get Driver's Seat, which is like cult favorite. If you're my skin tone, it's a very good nude for you. And you're going to get Babe Alert, which is a nude rose. So these two shades are very flattering if you're my skin tone or lighter than my skin tone. So I feel this is a very good pick to go with. You're going to get this duo for 1090, so you're going to pay around like 1100 for it, which is a very good deal. So if you want me to suggest one makeup product you want to get from this sale, I would definitely ask you to go with this duo, because Malvika is like the queen of the Driver's Seat and she's doing this collaboration. So I feel this is a must buy product. So yeah guys, I feel we are done with body care and makeup recommendations. Hope you found this video helpful. If you haven't checked my previous video where I have included my skincare and hair care recommendations, do check it out. I would leave a link in the description box. And if you're not following me on Instagram already, I would also leave a link in the description box. Please follow me on Instagram as well. See you in my next video. Until then, bye.